Hey, what's up guys? It's Jay with After the Wear. I just got home from work and received a package. So no, just because I'm dressed like this, I'm not gonna be doing a review on office wear or 9 to 5 wear. That's gonna be a special video for the future. So we received a package earlier and I've been waiting for this package because I ordered it from Supreme, New York. I believe it's week 5. So there was a red button up that I was eyeing, and I believe I got a jersey. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing. So just to let you guys know, for all you brand new viewers out there, After the Wear basically educates the consumer about brand awareness and product awareness. Literally, we do 2 reviews on the product, which is the first one being the unboxing or the review, and the second one is a follow-up to let you guys know what the product's like after you've washed it. So yeah, that's pretty much what our campaign is. We're strictly here to educate the consumer, at the same time help the brand make better products. So hopefully you guys get on the bandwagon. Actually, not the bandwagon. Hope you guys join the mission in educating others. And yeah, let me know if there's anything that you guys want to know more about. I'm gonna do my best to provide more material. And at the same time, let me know if there is, if you guys have any comments or questions. All right, let's get started. Let's unbox this. I'm trying to do all my unboxing and my reviews as soon as possible so that I can start wearing them. So that's pretty much my reason to get things moving forward, because I hate to just wait on packages and then by that time, you know, after a week of ordering, and by the time I do a review, it's like 2 weeks and you guys already know through the grapevine what the product is like. So the faster I get product information and this video up to you guys, the faster you guys can pull the trigger if you guys are buying through resellers. So, yes. Man, I've never been so excited. Let's get this going. So, again, we have the infamous Supreme bag. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. All right. So, just looking for the receipt here and to see what I ordered, but definitely loving. I love these bags, man. I mean, just such quality, and the Supreme logo is just so simple but so magnifying. And at the same time, how they package their jerseys and their shirts. The t-shirts come in like the thinner plastics, but this, I gotta tell you, my friends, this Ziploc bag, for some reason, gets to me. So I'm looking for it. Didn't get a bouncy ball this time, but ooh, definitely got more stickers. Let's open up the stickers first. So what we got was an unboxing of stickers from Supreme. So this time around we got 1 Supreme sticker. I don't even know where to put these. If you guys want them, reach out to me, put a comment there. I'll mail them to you. It's really not a big deal. I'm not like, you know, putting them on my skateboard. I don't skateboard anymore. It's not like I'm gonna put them in my folder. I don't have folders. You know, I'm pretty much an adult now, but yeah. If you want them, let me know. Comment in the box below. I'll mail them to you. So the other one is, oh, I get 3. Cool. So this one I do know it's the Supreme. So there was a Supreme Eternity. Correct me if I'm wrong. The Eternity shirt. I don't know if it's still out there. I think they sold out. You may find it on StockX or Grail, but that's the, you'll see right there. It's just the Eternal, not Eternity, Supreme sticker. Cool. Then you have this other one. It just says Supreme and some drawings on there. looks kind of Aztec, but I believe there was a hoodie that had this print on the back of the hoodie itself. So that one, that looks familiar. So if you guys want these, just let me know. Cool. Oh yeah, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, as well as you know, my Instagram. I also have a Twitter. I'll let you guys know. It's like jbug6. So yeah, those are all my social platforms. So smash that like button, and also smash that subscribe button. So let's go ahead and move forward. I ordered, yes, the Eternal Practice jersey. So man, this is, I like this color. So let me just take this out. So it has a little bit of orange. I was hoping that it was a little bit lighter, more on the kind of like the off-white Jordan 1s, so that I can match it up with the orange, because on my off-white Jordan 1 UNCs, they have the orange laces, and I was hoping I could match that. So I want to say that this is like more of a teal color than a UNC color, but it's all good. So yeah, let's get this open. So the Eternal jersey, it doesn't say, it actually doesn't say the price. I think it was 88 bucks. I also want to try this on. So I'll probably do a review on it. It's not like a jersey, it's more of a shirt, a t-shirt, excuse me. Difference between shirt and t-shirt is this is a t-shirt, and the button up is a shirt. So but yeah, this is a size large. Cool. So you have that print, it says Eternal on it. Then you have your branding in the collar. You guys can't see that. Oh yeah. Put that up right there. And then your branding on the bottom left, which is Supreme, and it says large right there. It says quality garments. Quality garments. Oh yeah. So what I like to do is actually go in depth and see what the actual fabric is for the shirt. So it says here 60% cotton, 40% polyester. And then the care instructions, it gives symbols, and it says wash cold, do not bleach, tumble dry low, iron using low heat. And again, in the past, what I've told you guys is, you know, to use steamers instead of irons. So I will also provide a link in this description box in the below, and I'll let you guys know what travel steamer I use for all my garments and stuff like that. So again, I'm jumping the gun and I'm letting you guys know all this, but I'll do like a fitting and I'll let you know how this works, because this kind of looks a little big, and it's yeah, it's on the thinner side. So we'll see if we got our bang for our buck, because I want to say I spent $88 on this. So next is the shirt. The shirt that I've been waiting for. Yes. So this right here came in like multiple colors. There was like a Burberry one, and then also like a teal colored one. By the way, for the Eternal shirt, it came in black, teal, burgundy. I want to say it came in white as well, but you may have to double check the website if they're still up, which I doubt it. So go to Grail or StockX, so you'll be able to see that. But moving forward, this is called the Tartan, Tartan long sleeve flannel shirt. So again, I ordered a size large and in red. So man, I don't know what I'm gonna use these for, but I just love these Ziploc bags. So funny. Anyways. You're plain old like ready for lumberjack season. Tartan long sleeve Supreme work shirt. Super stoked about this. So I'll go ahead and do a further review later on where I'm like trying it on, and I'll show you what I'll style it with. But Totally digging this. Yeah, so let's get into the details. You got your Supreme logo right there. Again, I ordered a size large. While we're at the collar, behind here, it comes with a button so that it keeps your collar down. And moving forward, we have a left chest pocket, which has the Supreme logo on there as well. It's just the finer details that I love. You know, simplicity. I like that. I guess you can call me a basic guy. What else here? So yeah, going down into the bottom inner area, 100% cotton, wash cold, do not bleach, tumble dry low, iron using low heat. Again, use the steamer. It's perfect. It's not like you're gonna be creasing your pleats or whatnot for this. Yeah, and the fabric is really nice. So I'll be, you know, ready to hack some wood with this. Anyways, that's about it. If you guys have any questions, comments, add them to the bottom. I try to keep these reviews or unboxings very, very short. I know we're hitting like the 11-minute mark, but yeah, let me know what you guys would wear these with. I was thinking with this, with the Eternal jersey, I would probably wear my UNC, off-white UNC 1s or my Travis Scott's 4s. So we'll see about that. I might even put it up on StockX because looking at this, I thought it was kind of like more of a mesh jersey, but it's more of a t-shirt. This right here, I'm actually gonna keep. I wanna say this one, it was about $128. Again, you can go on StockX to see, or you can look it up on the website. So this is it. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm out. Catch you guys after the wear.